Pleasant morning to everyone. I'm Ma'am Beth Corrales, your music teacher for today. But before we begin our discussion, let us first be reminded of the protocols to follow during the live streaming class. Protocols to follow during the live streaming class. Number 1, respect everyone. Number 2, no hate speech. Number 3, be guided with the anti-cyberbullying law. Number 4, no promotion of products or items. Number 5, use appropriate words in giving suggestions, comments, and queries. After the streaming, attend follow-up discussion on the different platforms provided by your subject teacher. I hope everyone will be guided by the protocols for us to maintain order during our session. At the end of our session, you are expected to describe the musical characteristics of representative music selections from the lowlands of Luzon. Analyze the musical elements of some lowland vocal and instrumental music selections. What are the different elements of music? The different elements of music are timbre, quality of sound; pitch, high or low; texture, how many sounds you have heard; tempo, fast or slow; duration, long or short; structure, musical plan; and dynamics, loud or soft. To assess your prior knowledge in our lesson for today, let's answer this pre-assessment activity. Identify the following musical symbols. Comment your answer in the comment section. I will give you a minute to answer, and your 1-minute timer will start now. And here are the following answers. What comes to your mind when you hear the word music? Music is an art form and cultural activity whose medium is sound. Music is a way of expressing yourself and your feelings. Music is everything. Without music, there is no purpose to a lot of stuff. What are folk songs? Folk songs are songs written by the folk and are sung to accompany daily activities such as farming, fishing, and putting the baby to sleep. These are traditionally passed on orally. Folk songs are characterized by the following description. It is originally passed down orally to the family and to the members of the community. It is learned through rote. It is sung in one's own dialect. It begins in one key and ends in the same key. The composers and lyricists of folk songs are usually anonymous, or the mood conveyed in folk songs can be sentimental, playful, and humorous. The concepts are based on nature or people's work, tradition, and culture. Folk songs are usually short and simple. It is either in duple meter, triple meter, or quadruple meter. Let us now listen to the two folk songs entitled Pamolinawe, Ilocano folk song, and Atiko Pong Singsing of the Central Luzon.
Atin ko pong singsing, medong yang pintukan, amalake iti, tingin lumibatan, sangkan ken sinino, ken medong akabang, mewalaya iti, medu kamalayan.
As we listen to the folk songs, let us try to compare the musical elements present in these songs and answer the questions that follow. How did you find the tempo? Was it fast, slow, or moderate? Pamolinawen in fast tempo, Atiko Pong Singsing in slow tempo. Identify the meter of the song. Is it duple or triple meter? Pamolinawen in duple meter, while Atiko Pong Singsing in triple meter. Many of the liturgical and devotional music were written in Latin and considered as sacred, liturgical language of Catholic Church. Liturgical is relating to liturgy or public worship. Liturgy and devotional music, it reveals impact of Spanish colonization. It is used for religious rites. It is incorporated to the Christian practices, and it is in triple meter. Vocal music, the Mass Pastores, church songs, Pastores, Christmas songs, Moro Moro, Commedia, theatrical play between Muslim and Christians, Cenaculo, the reenactment of Passion of Christ, Pabasa ng Pasyon, the Passion, Death, and Resurrection of Jesus Christ, and recited during the Holy Week. Salubong, the reenactment of the meeting of risen Christ, Flores de Mayo, Flowers of May, a Catholic festival held on the month of May, devotion to the Blessed Virgin. Santa Cruzan, Finding the Holy Cross, by the Queen Helena and her son Constantine. Let us listen to some examples of liturgy and devotional music. After listening to the liturgy and devotional music, let us now identify the pitch and tempo of the songs. I will give you a 1 minute to answer, and your 1 minute timer will start now. And here are the following answers. The music of Lowlands of Luzon is composed of vocal and instrumental music, which varies in every province of Luzon. Folk songs are originally passed down orally to the family and to the other members of the community. Concepts are based on nature, our people's work, tradition, and culture. Folk songs are short and simple. Let us listen to the following songs and identify the tempo and melody of each song.
Ating ko pong sing-sing, medong yang tintukan, amalake iti, tingin dong libatan, sangkan ken sinino, ken medong akabang, mewalaya iti, keku kamalayan.
Magtanim ay di Kung nakayuko, di naman makatayo, di naman makaupo.
Si alibanggang sa lagintot sa damuhang ang babae sa lansangan kung pumiri parandandang.
Here are the following answers. Before we end this session, let me leave an important thought that will constantly remind you about the power of music. Music crosses all bridges, borders, and cultures to connect us all. That's all for today. Again, I'm Ma'am Lilibet B. Corrales, your music teacher, reminding everyone to stay at home and keep safe.